Hi everyone, this is Joseph from VRS Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galazy Z Fold 6, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galazy Z Fold 6. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the VRS, they call it the Torso Edge case in black. This one does not have pen support, it has the hinge protection. They have one with the hinge protection on there and then also one with the pen holder. I'll have the links in the description. I need to give them a shout out for sending this case out to me for a review. This case is designed a little bit different than any other case you're going to see for the Z Fold 6. And I need y'all opinion on it. Let me know if you like it or not. It does come with MagSafe on here too. But, you know, nice presentation from them. Pretty simple. But there is a design change. Maybe more manufacturers start doing this, but here's the case. You see the hinge protection with the orange in there. Now you're gonna say, where is the front piece? It's a one-piece case, but just watch. So you pop this bad boy in here, right? You wanna pop the whole phone in this case, and now you have your case on there. So when you want to open it up, you just open it up. Now can you get to the edge panel? I could get to the edge panel pretty easily. And then when you fold it back, you just have protection there. You have your speaker cutouts, everything lined up at the top too, all the cutouts there. The cutouts at the bottom. You have room for your power button. The Vine rockers are nice and tactile, not bad to press. You do have hinge protection there. MagSafe. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. And then the lip action is a little bit. You do get some lip action all the way around. But look at that camera protection though. And you had the MagSafe on there. But what y'all think about that design? It does add a little bit of bulk to your phone. It's almost like a sleeve, but not a sleeve. You have some logo there, branded there. It says VRS. I want to see how strong this magnet is too, but I just can't get over it. Like, it just sits in there. And then this is how it looks with the hinge. So it does cover some of your display. I mean, what do y'all really think about that? Let me know in the comments. I think it's unique. I like that new design. Maybe more case manufacturers will start following them. Now, how strong is that magnet? It's all right. Look, it pulled it off. I mean, oh, that's pretty strong. Yeah, it's pretty good. Again, you will have no problem with this magnet sticking on like your battery packs, even like the little charging ports in your car. None of that should be a problem because that magnet is pretty strong on there. Now, does it while it's charged though? Or is it just for MagSafe? I don't need an Amazon card. So it doesn't look like it's charging it. Oh yeah. Made a liar out of me. It is charging the phone too, so what y'all think about this unique design? Like I said, the overall fit, it's in there. It's not like your phone's gonna pop out. And you have hinge protection. That is just unique though. Could you rock this phone, this case from VRS Design? I mean, look, that's how it does. I mean, at first, when I was using it earlier in the day, I thought I missed something, but it's just a one-piece case and they just made it where you can flip it out. That's pretty different. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I like the protection you get from it. I really do. It gives you a lot of protection. Power button is easy to press. Volume rockers are there. Everything lines up, top and bottom. The magnet is pretty strong. You can wireless charge. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. It's definitely a different design. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galazy Z Fold 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.